Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. I just wanted to go over something really important that I've realized or become aware of as I started to get into hydroponics, and that is that not all net cups are equal. So this is a brand that I started off with a few months ago. I had bought these ones here. These ones are they're by the same company. These are 2-inch, and I just got these yesterday, 3-inch, and it was a little bit, I had to do a little bit of research, and I took a chance buying these, and I'm glad I did, because this is all about the width or the size of the lip on net cups. So this one here, right here, is from this package. And I'll show you, I've got 3 from another vendor that I had bought last year. And if I flip these over and you look at the actual lip size, and I will zoom in to show you this, but you can see that on this brand here, this Coscana, the lip is much wider than the one on this one here. And you have to really be careful about that, because if you are drilling holes with a hole saw, this one here has a tendency to fall through. If it just happens to tilt at the wrong angle, it could fall through. This one here is absolutely perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in so that you can see the difference between both of these. So I've zoomed in, and I had to increase the exposure of my video because I've got the white background here. But I'm going to try to tilt these up. And can you see the difference in the lip? It is incredible. So if I take them and I put them like this, you can't really tell the difference. But this one here, the new one with this Coscana brand, the lip is much wider. So it's really important when you're buying net cups that you make sure you do a little bit of research. So the lip here, much wider than this one here, and I'll just show you that on my little setup here. So here I have a little container that I'm going to be using for hydroponics, and I'll go into that in a little bit more detail in another video. But for this one here, so here we've got the old net cup that I bought last year. I've got a bunch of those, and if I place it in here, I wasn't happy with the lip size. Like it really wants to tip, and I did actually play with it the other day, and I was like, yeah, I wasn't happy with it, so I started looking online. Thankfully, I found this other brand, this Coscana, and it's much better. So you can see here, I'll try it in this one here. This is one that I cut a little bit by hand. I was using a little rotary tool to clean this one up. But anyway, you can see that this one here, it really wants to go. So let's take the new one with the wider lip, and just much better. Like it just doesn't want to, like I'm trying to play with it here, it doesn't want to go in. So much better. So if you're looking for net cups, you got to do your research. Anyway, I'm happy that I found this brand. I left a couple of questions for the vendor, and they said that all of the dimensions that they give on the Amazon description are exact, and I'm very happy. So this is pretty good. So there we go. So yeah, so you've got to do your research. So the brand again, I'll just bring those in. This right here. So what is it? Coscana. And there we go. So that's it. So do your research if you're looking for net cups for hydroponics. So that's it for this really fast video, and I'll catch you on the next one.